Hi there, students. Thespian, a thespian, or thespian as an adjective. A thespian is an actor. It's another word for an actor. You could use it as an adjective, thespian, meaning related to the theatre, related to drama and plays. So his thespian abilities are really quite outstanding. He's a thespian. He's an actor. Okay, it's just another word for an actor. So, how are your thespian talents? Yeah, are you a good thespian? I think very often when you use the word a thespian for an actor, you're being facetious. You're joking a little bit. You're making a joke about it. Yeah. I think normally you would call somebody an actor. Yeah, a player, a character actor, but if you wanted to sound either posh or ironic or sarcastic, maybe you could use the word thespian. Yeah, I think thespian is probably a slightly formal word. I think maybe 6.5 in formality, something like that. If you were trying to sound really posh, thespian would be a great word to use. Okay, so thespian. You could use thespian in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. I think it's going to be a great word to use instead of actor in some sort of essay or something like that. But if you use it informally, then either it sounds like you're being sarcastic, or ironic, or something like that. Okay, so a thespian, an actor or a player, and thespian as an adjective relating to drama or acting, theatrical, if you like. Now, the origin of this word I quite like. According to Aristotle and other early writers, there was a person called Thespis in the 6th century before Christ, and apparently Thespis was the first person to get up on a stage and be an act playing a character in a play. Apparently before that, people used to get up on stage and speak as themselves. Yeah, but the idea is that Thespis introduced the concept of acting, of representing characters on a stage, and from that we get thespian. Yeah, have you ever wanted to be a thespian? I'm also thinking, could you use thespian to talk about people in the cinema? I think not. Thespian talks about the theatre, not the cinema. Yeah? Do you have any thespian aspirations? Yeah? I quite like watching thespian works. Yeah, so a thespian, an actor, or something related to the theatre. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A thespian.